There are different ways on how to compress a brake caliper piston, but you want to go for the simplest, easy, and spend less time to get the job done. So today I'm going to show you the simplest, easiest way on how to get that brake caliper piston compressed and spend less time to get the job done. So we start off by placing the old brake pad in place right there, and then we're using this tool right here. This is one of the most useful tool. You can use it in compressing the brake caliper, and you can also use it when you're working on other stuff, like when you're doing a carpentry stuff. So this is how to do it. I mean, I don't have to explain it. It's self-explanatory, as you can see. You just place it there and you just twist, and as you twist, the piston is getting back in house, leaving you enough space right there to accommodate the new brake pads. Just keep on twisting until the whole caliper is back in place. And of course, check out on the description, a link will be there for where you can get this tool. In less than 2 minutes, this job should be done. And also, if you have different other methods on how to compress a brake caliper, hey, let me know on the comment section. Allow me to say thank you guys for your support. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button and stay tuned. I'm doing here a video on how to do brake pads and rotors on a Ford Explorer. This is Ford Explorer. Hey, make sure you check that video, will be coming up soon, so subscribe and stay tuned, guys. So that's how you do it. As you can see, it gives me enough room now to work on the brake pads.